long format video for virtual events has been a hot hit, especially when things were locked down and people were stuck at home. But now we're moving into this place where people want to get out. They're still engaging with social media, but they're finding that they don't want to watch necessarily 2 hours. However, if they catch a 30-second or 3-minute snippet, a shorter video, and it's engaging and exciting to them, they're more likely to come back and watch your longer format content. Part of it is just giving those little appetizers, like when you go to Costco or Sam's Club, they give you the little appetizer. If you like it, you come back for more.